Hello, I'm Mitch Legan. A federal judge has overturned the child pornography conviction of an associate of former Subway pitchman Jared Fogle. Russell Taylor had provided evidence that led to a criminal case against Fogle, but was also convicted of producing pornography. The judge ruled today that Taylor's attorney was ineffective because he failed to challenge 3 charges that were not supported by the legal facts of the case. The judge vacated Taylor's conviction, which sets the stage for a possible new trial. Former South Bend Mayor Pete Buttigieg announced this weekend he's dropping out of the presidential race.
Buttigieg rose to the top, I think, in a way that no one, maybe even himself, really believed could be possible. He went from being a mayor of a relatively innocuous town in Indiana to being someone who had national credibility.
Buttigieg says he suspended his White House bid because he no longer had a viable path to the Democratic Party's nomination. He hasn't endorsed any of the candidates still in the race, but has spent the last weeks warning that nominating Bernie Sanders would be risky. And Curtis Hill would be forced to step down as Attorney General if his license was suspended for at least a month, under an amendment passed by the Indiana House today. The amendment alters the qualifications to serve as Attorney General. Under current law, it only requires the AG to have a law license and live in Indiana. The proposed amendment says if the office holder's license is suspended for more than 30 days, they forfeit their position, and the governor names their replacement. The amendment's author says it's a response to a disciplinary hearing officer's recommendation last month of a 60-day suspension. And we take a look at tonight's weather. We have a low of 38 with some rain. Tomorrow we have the sun and a high of 56, before a high of 55 on Wednesday with more sun, and more sun on Thursday with another high of 56. For more news, be sure to go to WTIUnews.org and be sure to catch Indiana News Desk Fridays at 6.